video is going to show you the main parts of a sewing machine. While all sewing machines have the same parts, some machines look different. So your machine may have these parts in a different place, or it may look a little different. The first part is the power switch. The power switch turns the machine on and off, and usually when you turn your machine on, it will have a little light above the needle to help you see better while you're sewing. Next, you have the hand wheel. The hand wheel raises and lowers the needle on the machine, and it should always be turned toward you as you sit in front of your machine. On top of the machine, you have the spool pin, which holds your thread on the top of the machine. Next to that is the bobbin winder. This winds your bobbin. On the left side, you have the take-up lever. The take-up lever is part of threading your machine, and it's very important to make sure that the thread goes through the take-up lever when you are threading your machine. Next, we have the backstitch button. The backstitch button helps you backstitch when you are done with a stitch. You hold this button down with the foot pedal and backstitch until you're done. Next, you have the needle. The needle is on the left side in the middle of the machine. Right below it, you'll find the presser foot holds the fabric down while you're sewing. It is raised and lowered with the presser foot handle, which is found in the back middle of the machine. You gently lower it onto your fabric when you're ready to sew and lift it back up when you're finished sewing. Below the presser foot, you'll find the feed dogs. The feed dogs guide your fabric through the machine as you sew, making your job easier. In front of the feed dogs, you'll find the bobbin case, or the bobbin holder. This is where your bobbin will go while you sew. On the far left side of the machine, there is a thread cutter. The thread cutter is a small blade protected by plastic on the machine that's used to cut your thread once you're finished sewing. This way you don't have to use scissors. Those are the main parts of the sewing machine that every machine will have, and I hope that this has helped you learn the parts of your sewing machine and better how to use it. Enjoy sewing!